Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party is set to return to power in Delhi after 27 years. Supporters of BJP erupted in jubilation outside party's Delhi headquarters as early counting trends indicated a decisive return to power in the national capital. As per the latest trends from Election Commission, BJP was leading 14 seats and has registered victory at 34 seats. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal, who contested from New Delhi Assembly constituency, suffered defeat at the hands of BJP candidate Parvesh Verma. Aam Aadmi Party's Manish Sisodia also suffered defeat against Tarvinder Singh Marwa in Jangpura constituency. On the other hand, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi won from Kalkaji seat, conceding defeat. Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal said he has accepted people's mandate and his party will play constructive role in opposition.